Here's an update on these Stanley compound cutters with the extra joint in there to supposedly make it easier. Now I found a piece of wire that, let me show you all the wire sticking out of it. I found a piece of wire that is a lot harder to cut than that piece of plastic that I had earlier. So like with the regular ones with a single joint to cut, it is, you can get it done. It's a little harder. But then you do this, even though the mouth doesn't open as much, you can easily cut the wire. No huge deal. Sometimes if it's a little thicker, you need two hands to start it off, which I've never had that problem. But yeah, they actually do work. The extra joint there does help, even though it doesn't open as wide as the original. But not a huge difference. Shouldn't really bother you, especially when the benefit is that it is easier to cut things with. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.